Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate AI-based Shopify product launch announcements. So here, I am selling my products with the help of Shopify, and my objective is that whenever I'm going to add a new product on my Shopify store, automatically a new product launch post should be shared on my Facebook page for my audience. To automate this entire process, I am going to use my AI agent, that is OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. So every time I'm going to add a new product on my Shopify store, automatically a post content for that new product launch is going to be generated with the help of OpenAI, and then the post is automatically going to be shared on my Facebook page for my audience. To automate this entire process, I'm not going to use any coding and programming skills. I will be simply integrating all these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to automate AI-based Shopify product announcements. So I am an owner of a Shopify store. I am selling my fashion-based products on Shopify. I found that every time I'm going to add a new product range, a new product in my Shopify store, then automatically a product launch announcement should be shared on my Facebook page to my audience along with a link of the product and the image. Now to automate this entire process, because it is a hectic process, so I have decided to use my AI agent, that is OpenAI, and with the help of Pabbly Connect, I will automate this entire task. How? For that, here I'm going to connect my Shopify store with my AI agent and my Facebook page in such a way that every time I'm going to add a new product over here on my Shopify store, automatically my AI agent is going to generate product launch announcement post for that same new product, and also then the post is going to be shared automatically on my Facebook page. So before moving forward towards learning how to create this amazing automation, I'm going to show you that how this automation is actually going to work. So when I'm going to add a new product on my Shopify store in front of you, let's say a denim jacket, I'm going to provide the description over here. Statement: denim jacket with oversized fit, distressed detailing and vintage wash for all season layering. I'm going to upload an image over here. Let the price is going to be 2000. Compare price is 2500. Then we have other details over here. Blue and black color. Fabric is going to be denim. And here I'm going to simply add the image. So I've uploaded the image as well for the jacket. As I've uploaded this image, now I'm going to save the product. As the product is created, now I'm going to quickly take you towards my Shopify store. I'm going to refresh it quickly. You can see that my product is added over here on the store, and now I'm going to take you towards Facebook page, and I will refresh my Facebook page in front of you. And here you can see that we got a new post created for this product launch of denim jacket. So in this way, the automation is actually going to work. We do not have to do anything manually once we are going to set up this automation, and also we are not going to use any coding and programming skills to create this automation. I will be simply connecting all my applications such as Shopify, my AI agent, and my Facebook page, and my work is done. So let's start creating this amazing automation step by step for our business as well. To start with the process, first of all, we need to type pabbly.com/connect in a new tab in our browser, which is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Over here, we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On the dashboard, we can find all the workflows that we have created, and also we can create separate folders on the same dashboard to save the workflow separately and accordingly. Now, to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. Here, a dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So let me quickly provide a name over here. Automate AI-based Shopify product launch announcements. After giving the name to my workflow, now I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save it. So you can see I have a list of folders over here. Among these folders, the automation which I'm going to create currently is related to AI. So I'm going to select AI automations as my folder, and now I'm going to click on create. As the workflow is created, now we are going to go towards a new screen. Over here, you can see that this is a new screen. It contains a blank workflow which we have to fill up to completely set up our automation. And over here we have trigger and action. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose here I want that every time on my Shopify store I'm going to add a new product, automatically the product launch announcement should be shared as a post on my Facebook page. And the post content is going to be generated with the help of my AI agent, that is OpenAI. So here I'm going to take Shopify in my trigger step, and I'm going to take OpenAI, that is my AI agent, in my action step to generate the post content. And finally then I'm going to take Facebook page again in my action step to share the post automatically. When I'm going to build the connection between these all applications, we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when a new product is added in Shopify store, then only the product launch post is going to be created for that same product with the help of OpenAI, and then only the post is going to be shared on our Facebook page, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating this automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step, and here we are going to select our trigger application as Shopify. So here I will select Shopify Legacy as my trigger application. Then we have to select the trigger event. So on the happening of which specific event inside Shopify, you want to capture the response and start your automation. Here I want that when a new product is added in my Shopify store, then I want to capture the response and start my automation. So I have selected new product as my trigger event. Now we have to build the connection between Shopify and Pabbly Connect. For that, you can see we have received a webhook URL, and here we have received some instructions. By following the given instructions step by step carefully, we need to insert the webhook URL inside our Shopify account. And as we will do that, then the webhook URL is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of every new product that is added inside Shopify towards Pabbly Connect. So let's copy the webhook URL, and then I'm going to show you what you are supposed to do. So first of all, I will take you towards Shopify, and over here we have to go towards the settings section from the left side. Now we have to go towards notifications from the left side, and here we have the option of webhooks. Let's select that. Now we have to click on this create webhook button, and we have to select the event for which we are creating this webhook. So the event is going to be related to the product. So we want that when a new product is going to be created inside Shopify, then our webhook should start. So here we are going to select product creation. The format of the response is going to be JSON. Then we have to provide the URL. So let's paste the webhook URL that we have received from Pabbly Connect. And then we have to finally select the webhook API version that we are going to select the latest one. Okay. Now let's click on save. As the webhook is created, now for the product creation, I will take you back towards Pabbly Connect. And here it is showing waiting for webhook response. So we have successfully built the connection between Shopify and Pabbly Connect. Now we are waiting for the response to be captured. How we are going to capture the response? By doing a test submission. By simply performing the same step that we have selected as trigger event. Because we have new product as our trigger event. So when we are going to create a new product inside our Shopify store, then we will be receiving the response. So I will take you towards my Shopify store, and now I'm going to add a new product in front of you. Let's go back for that. Let's go towards products. And here I'm going to add a new product in front of you. I'm going to click on this add product button. The name of the product is going to be Summer Bloom Floral Maxi Dress, let's say. And I'm going to provide the description for this dress as well. Over here, this is the description. A breezy, elegant floral maxi dress perfect for summer outings. Features a lightweight fabric, flattering V-neck and adjustable waist tie. Now I'm going to upload the media as well. First of all, let me provide the pricing. Let's say it's for 1,000 rupees. Okay, then here I'm going to enter other details. Color, we have 4 colors over here. Fabric is going to be cotton. Then we have the occasion. I'm going to select birthday, party and casual as well. Then we have the dress style, baby doll. We have neckline over here, length, okay. Then we have the sleeve length. All right. So I've added all the details, and now I'm going to quickly upload the media for this dress. As I've uploaded the media, now I'm going to quickly save this product. The product is created, and now I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect. Here we got the response instantly. We have received all the details over here. So let's start reading them one by one. First of all, we have received the vendor, that is my store. Then we have the product updated date and time. Then we have the amount of this product. Then we have the IDs. We have the compare price. Then we have the name of this dress. That is the title of the product. Then we have the product status, that is active. Then we have all other details as well. All right. We have also received this image. Let me copy and paste the image in a new tab. So here we have the image. Now I'm going to simply create the product launch for it. So in order to generate the content for the product launch post, I'm going to use my AI agent, that is OpenAI. For that, let's go towards our first action step and we will select OpenAI as our action application. Because I'm using OpenAI, so I'm going to select that. But if you're using any other AI application as your AI agent, you can also select that application over here in your action step. Now my action event is going to be ChatGPT because I want to generate my content using ChatGPT. Now let's build the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. For that, you can see that I am already logged into my OpenAI platform. You also have to keep in mind to keep logging to all the applications that you want to connect with Pabbly Connect, because then the process of your connection is going to become simple and easier. Let's click on connect. Here we have two options to build this connection: add new connection and select existing one. In case if you already have an existing connection with OpenAI, you can quickly go with that. To create a new connection, go towards add new connection and provide the token over here. To generate the token, click on the hyperlink. If you are already logged in, it is going to redirect you towards the API key page of OpenAI platform. Over here, let's click on this create new secret key button. We have to provide the name to the key. Let's say the name is new product. Then you can select the project in which you want to save the key and you will click on create secret key button. As the key is ready, just copy it, click on done, go back and you have to paste the key over here like this. As you're going to click on save, the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect will become successful. I've already built an existing connection, so currently I'm going to go with that. Okay, so my connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. Now I'm going to move forward. Here, first of all, I need to select the model. So you can see I have multiple AI models over here. I'm going to select GPT-4o Mini from this list. And now I have to provide the prompt. Prompt is actually the command which we need to provide to ChatGPT or to our AI agent that what we actually wanted to do for us. Because here my objective is that every time a new product is created in my Shopify store, a product launch post content should be generated with the help of my AI agent, and it should include all the details that we have of the product, such as the title of the product, the amount and their features. Okay, so according to my use case here, my prompt is going to be, here we got the prompt. As you can see, write an engaging and stylish Facebook post to announce a new fashion product launch for our online store. Product details are, so here I'm going to provide each of the product details such as the name of the product, the price, the description, the key features or style notes, product link and much more. Make the post friendly and trendy using emojis where relevant. Highlight the unique features, make it feel aspirational and appealing for a fashion-forward audience. Keep the tone modern and on-brand. End with a clear call to action to shop now. You can see that I have created my prompt well instructed, on point and clear, which includes all the exact details as how I want my content to be generated. Okay, one by one now I'm going to provide the details over here. First of all, the product name. You can see that I have already received the product name in my earlier response. Instead of entering it manually, I will be simply mapping it like this from the previous step. As we map our data, we make it dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So when I have mapped the name of the product and when I'm going to map all other details such as price, description, etc., these details will become dynamic, and then whenever a new product will be added in Shopify, automatically all these details will get replaced according to the new response. In this way, we are going to automate the entire process of creating product launch for each and every product that is added in Shopify store. Because if we will enter the data manually over here by typing or by copy and pasting, it will become static and then it is not going to replace. Therefore, mapping is very important. Now I'm going to map the price over here. We have the product description, and here I'm also going to add my store link. Okay, so that it could redirect the audience to my store link. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And here we got the content. You can see that here we have the post ready. Get ready to bloom this summer with your stunning summer bloom floral maxi dress. Here we have the entire content and we also have the store link. Now I'm going to post it directly on my Facebook page. You can see that this is my Facebook page on which I want to create the post for new product launch on my Shopify store with a name as Glam Fusion. I'm going to go towards my next action step and I'm going to select Facebook pages as my action application. I will select the action event as create page post and I will click on connect. I'm going to go with an existing connection only. Here you can see that we have the page. We have to select that Glam Fusion. Then we have to provide the message that we want to share. So this is the message that we want to share. And here I'm going to quickly map the link, that means the image link. Okay, now I'm going to click on save and send test request button. We got the response over here. It is providing us with the post ID as well. So I will take you towards my Facebook page. I'm going to refresh my page once. And here you can see that my post is created for the new product launch with the same image. And here I also have the link of my Shopify store, which the audience can directly click and buy the product. Okay, so you can see that our connection is built between Shopify, OpenAI and Facebook pages. So in this way, you can also very easily create this amazing automation to automate AI-based Shopify product launch announcements. If you do not want to directly share your launch announcement to Facebook page, you can also send it to your team members for final approval by adding Gmail or Google Chat space over here. And if you want to share it on any other place, such as on Instagram, on LinkedIn, anywhere, you can also select that application over here. So I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching the video. Not only this automation, but you can create multiple such amazing automations for your business with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your queries, you can ask at forum.pabbly.com. And for any of your pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. If the video was helpful for you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.